Okay, here's a video of Rena and Buddy's girls.
Hi.
All three girls, 2 short coat and 1 long haired. They'll be 8 weeks old on the 19th of September, so they're just almost 7 weeks old in this video.
Well, come here. Little puppies. Hi, you.
There's a wall there, silly.
Hi, you. Oh, aren't you the kisser and the licker, huh? Is that what you are? Is that what you are, huh? Yeah. You want a belly rub? These two are the most outgoing. Pretty much a tie. I think this one here's got a little more in her. Huh. Yeah. She's the licker, the kisser.
She's the lover of the bunch.
Come here. This one's trouble too.
Yeah, the little long-haired girl's pretty spunky.
Come here. The other one, let's just check things out.
Yeah. A little more independent.
Does get kisses though.
Yes.
Yeah, but not gonna be a wart like you, huh? You are just such a wart. Yes, you are. What are you doing? Huh? You trying to nest in my armpit? Come here, you.
She's all wound up.
Oh my goodness.
Come here, little miss. Come here, little miss.
Here, Missy.
Come over here with everybody else. There we go.
Come here, give me daddy some love. Yes, you give me kisses too. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. I give kisses too. Yes, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where's that one? Come here, little puppy girl. You little puppy girl. You like the kisses for your daddy, huh? Like the kisses for your daddy? Oh, look at you. She's so happy.
Yeah, she's so happy she don't know what to do with herself.
It's their first day out here in the kitchen. Oh my goodness.
Be nice to your sister.
Hey, don't you forget. Come here. Hey, Missy. Yeah. You come in for more loving? Uh-huh. You come over here for more loving? Look at her tear it up. She's just full of it right now. Earlier, this was the most outgoing one, but now that one is.
Oh, she's just being a little terror. Yeah.
You, I think you just really like kisses, don't you, huh? Yeah. Aren't you being mean? You want to wrestle? You want to wrestle? I'll wrestle with you. I'll wrestle with you. We'll get you down. We'll give you belly rubs.
Oh!
She didn't like that. So what's your point? So what's your point? Huh? You don't like belly rubs? Or you just a feisty one?
She just wound up.
Yeah.
Be nice to your sister now.
Hi there, you.
Hey.
You in here to give
Stop.
kisses. Are you in here to give kisses? I think you can really make a connection with this one here. It's like you can read her eyes already. She gives you eye contact.
Mm-hmm.
She'll be a very close dog. Did you want kisses? Hi. You. Hi.
Do you like them toes? Hmm?
You're so cute. You're both so cute. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness. More belly rubs. More belly rubs.
She is just a hoot. I can see her being the princess or the queen wherever she
Look at
goes.
this one. He loves his belly rub.
Yeah, get the
I
belly.
love my belly rub. Yes, I do. Oh, it's so much fun. Hi. Give me more kisses? Yeah? Oh, no. What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? Oh, my goodness. Yeah. Hey, what are you digging? Come here.
Chewing on your shorts.
Hi. Hi. You are just a licker. Yes, you are. She's zeroing in on my nose. Good thing we clipped your nails, huh? Yeah. That's a good thing. This one just wants the never-ending belly rub.
Mm-hmm.
I like my belly rubs.
So all three of these girls have different looks. Not just the difference between the short hair and the long hair, but different coat patterns and...
And they're going to be little, about 5 pounds, thereabouts.
Yeah. What?
Just
Are
on the
you
small
worrying?
side. Yes,
You
they're
worrying?
little. Daddy's their buddy's their daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rena's the mommy.
Ow! Ow! That's my toe. That's my toe, Missy.
Here it starts. Here it starts. Yes, it does. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You. You. Challenging each other.
Uh-huh.
You can see they all got great personalities.
Oh, yeah.
Very healthy and hearty. And loving. Come here, you. Come here and give me kisses. Look at that. Oh, you're so cute. You come over here for more belly rubs, didn't you? Huh? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. I think it's lucky myself.
What? Come over and say hello.
Come here and play. Well, come here and play with me. Yes. Come here and give me loving. You can do that. Yes, you can. I'm excited. There's so much to explore out here. I don't know what to do with myself. Oh, just so fun. You.
So we're available 7 days a week by appointment if you want to come and take a tour of our place and meet all the moms and dads and ask questions and get to know about what we do. And if you want to lay down here on the floor and play with puppies, we can certainly do that, and you can see in person how wonderful they are. She just come running over and flop in front of you?
Yeah. That was cute. That was cute.
Any one of these girls would just make a really, really nice companion.
You're so cute. Yes, we are. We're all so cute. Come here. Come here. Oh, my goodness. They are wound up now.
Yeah, they are. Like all little kids, 20 minutes from now they'll be sacked out taking a nap.
Okay, so say goodbye. Oh.
Say goodbye, girls. Say, come visit us. Come visit us. Come play with us. See how nice we are. Yes. There they are.